Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Reviews. Today we got a giveaway from Telesin, a fast charging box for the GoPro Hero 11, the 10, or the 9. Comes with two batteries, as you see here. There's one, and there's one inside the box. Fast charging system to increase the power of your batteries to charge a lot faster on the go. Here on Amazon, it retails at $55.99. Let's look into it here. Big power, fast charging for either these batteries or your regular GoPro batteries. There's not a battery system inside here, but you bring this box with you, you plug it in while you're at the hotel, wherever you're at, charges up pretty quick, and then you're good to go. Or take it on the road, get a power bank, plug it into the back here. It's got a little cover here too, so it doesn't get wet, and USB-C. Comes with a USB-C charger, and it all for free. So what do I have to do for this? Well, pretty simple. You have to like this video, you have to subscribe to the channel, and we'll give it away on, let's pick a date. All right, today is January 26th. Let's say we'll give it away on the 17th of February. 17th of February will be the date. So again, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video. On the 17th of February, I'll do a quick short video of random draw from the comments below, and we'll pick a winner and I'll ship it out to you. So you're asking, why am I giving this away? Well, Telesin sent me this for free, so I figured let's pass it on to my subscribers, help boost up the subscriber count. All that stuff, we all win. So subscribe and like, see if you're a winner on the 17th of February, and have a good one.